Alright, I'm testing a new recipe, guys. Hard. Do you see any crumbs? No. I made these last night. Look at that. It's floating. We want spinning and floating. So this new recipe, y'all, I'm going to be giving to all of my customers that have already purchased. And it's going to be the new recipe that's coming with the press. So look at this foam. This is 1 ounce for 16 ounces of baking soda in the recipe. So, which means that you could actually cut it down if you wanted to. I'm excited because, you know, I wanted to give you both a float and a hard bomb, and I think I've accomplished it with this. And of course, a foaming bomb with the Tru-Foam. So I'm very happy. Talk to you all later.